Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ahmadul Khan Mafi. I'm from Shirajganj. Now I'm student of English Fantasy. Recently, I have completed my graduation at Government Titomir College, and now I am student of English Fantasy. I want to go abroad, and it's my dream. Then I I scroll my Facebook and just seen English Fantasy, and then I decide I visit English Fantasy, and when I visit, I admitted English Fantasy basic plus IELTS course. In the basic course, my classmate, mentors, also our class teachers, main class teachers are very friendly. Now my English condition is very good, and now I can realize that I can speak fluently in English. Thanks for our class teacher and our mentor, Onik sir and Nimon sir, also Ratul sir, Bishwanath sir. Now I think I'm capable for IELTS. I'm grateful to them. Overall, my opinion or my journey is very great with English Fantasy because their motivation, also their teaching method and their friendly behavior help us a lot, and we are very grateful English Fantasy. Also Rajon sir. Now I am very happy because I am speaking English fluently, and I learned many things, and I am capable for every sector.